Reassuring to side the people, Chief Minister N. Biren reassures to stand against CAB 2016 until and unless protection of Manipur is guaranteed. Fuel conservation. Minister Karam Shyam launches Saksham 2019 campaign to encourage frugal uses of petroleum products for better environment and economy. STDC Manipur's posted campaign demands inclusion of Maitai or Mitai in ST list, warns of 48-hour general strike if government fails to send recommendation. And traditional delights, curtain raiser of Gangai Festival 2019 enchants. Gov Najma Heptulla urges all to keep practicing one's culture and tradition. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam, bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has reassured to stand against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 until and unless protection of the indigenous inhabitants of the state is guaranteed. Chief Minister Biren was responding to media query on the sidelines of the inaugural of a women market shade and 3 other projects at Zapao in Chandal district today. Foundation stone for 3 other projects was also laid on the occasion. Stating that the state government will keep pressuring for approval of Manipur People's Bill, the Chief Minister appealed not to create upheavals in the state.
Central government cabinet decision Number 1, all India ki bill tama parliament passed over matamda madugi passed over tok the badu thamkraka ekoi Manipur ki oina or northeast ki oina lairiba smaller groups indigenous people singsi protection hana thambi gadabani haibani aduna ekoina Manipur state government Manipur ki oina takselesi oina bill du semba matamda hujiksu bill si lok sabha pass obani rajya sabha wali Rajya Sabha ki matung su rule same with the wali. Aduna at any cost, no in a bill she passed to the Yadi and the Argadi, Taudingi Mamanga, Bill Taudingi Manga, Ikoigi, Manipurgi, Shida, exemption clause, Manipurgum the Hapio, Manipur the Soi Habigi, Maduma, or second, Ikoi Manipur Miamna Sahi couldn't contradict Alagalakpa, Manipur People's Bill. CCMG SNPB you have been anisine. On a quick stand, government stand is very clear. I koi protect Tonganaba indigenous population to protect Tonganaba close Hatriba will be against the bill.
Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that ties between hills and valley inhabitants have significantly improved. He also said developmental projects will not be successful without the cooperation of the public. Taking part in the event, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit announced to construct 33 roads and 8 bridges of Chandal district. He further assured of electricity and safe drinking water in every villages of the district by this March. The newly inaugurated projects are Women Market, Zapao Bazaar, a drinking water revival scheme, Boys Hostel of Maha Union Higher Secondary School, Chandal and Boys Hostel Larong High School, and foundation stone was laid for construction of transit accommodation for doctors and teachers, Chandal and Chakpi Karong, and upgrading of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya.
Singdana Sampuraga sing Sopasale, Tamdana Aigi Sumang the tape Hadraga sing Sogalere, Aduga Nuxina Sena Laubo, Yakadra and Iton the question hungry. Singi Salisa, Imaivel, Mayam Sina Sampuraga the kilometer ama, Ani Sing Sopasale, Tampaktana, Zagakar the Loinanate, some Kanukiwani, Hoi, Lady Birds geographical factor Nasu depend away.
Lamlong Kaithil Nupilub organized a protest meet against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 at Lamlong Market today. Women vendors of Lamlong Market ceased normal business activities and took part in the sit-in, chanting various slogans against the bill.
Lok Sabha na pass to ki baat kya bill 2016. Lok Sabha na pass to ki baat kya bill.
CEF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has launched the month-long nationwide Saksham 2019 campaign under Petroleum Conservation Research Association PCRA for Manipur today. The campaign aims to raise awareness among students, youths and public on conservation and effective utilization of petroleum products for better environment and to stop dependency on foreign countries for crude oils. Speaking in the launching event held at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong, Minister Karam Shyam said the campaign caters specially to students as they are the posterior generation. He stressed the need to conserve petroleum products as they are non-renewable and also to minimize its uses to curb environmental pollution. Minister Karam Shyam also urged students to be well-disciplined and contribute for the welfare of the society. Principal Secretary of Textiles, Commerce Industries, P. Wi-Fi, National Vice President of Bharat Vikas Parishad, Professor Sinam Rajendra, State-Level Coordinator of Indian Coal Operation, Manipur Sinam Ibungoton, students from various schools and many people attended the event. Minister Karam Shyam led attendees in taking a pledge for efficient uses of petroleum products on the occasion.
Energy consumed over the Bharat petroleum level, Mayam Marka, Ahunsu, the lake. Aduna, split the scene of a set, and I forget. I can't let the cycle to the Sapi. Adu the Aina Kanga say cycle to me, Awa Nato. I must cycle tower the Salize, Zaki Oina. Kana, Manis and on the Kanba over there. I was in a knowing the Tazabatamir. Nasi, petroleum product, Sinse, Kanjab to say, Bharat Sarkarna. Nataga Prime Minister na, Petroleum Minister na, how even na harol sing the period ayeng matam karki matunda, moy na sigi tawo singe soy na ilakani haibagi thajabudune.
Minister Karam Shyam also flagged off a walk rally for students as a part of the launch from Hotel Classic Grand. A painting competition for students was also conducted on the occasion. Speaking on Saksham 2019 campaign, State-Level Coordinator of Indian Oil Corporation, Manipur, Sinam Ibungoton said that the month-long campaign aims to raise awareness among students, women, drivers, industry workers on the significance of frugal uses of petroleum products for a better environment and economy. He said various public sector, upstream and downstream oil and gas companies will be cropped in to successfully carry out the campaign held under Petroleum Conservation Research Association.
Tama jum tawra program sida tongan ba khoi training mayam ama kamai torga khoina thau siring machine ani haibagi se khoina school gumba college gumba adagi jum da chatlaga maru na LPG ge khoi women singda khoina training du pijani industry da su automobile sectors khangde khoi kamai torga khoi efficiently gari se drive tawni aduga kari sin ani haibagi matang da se khoina tongan ba training mayam ama khoina pijani minimize oina अखोई थाउसी अखोई लोइब नाइबा ओइबनिना मसिदि नॉन रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी निना अखोइना मसि सिनाबिउ अदुगा अखोई रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी दा अखोई होंगनबा अखोई साइड तगी होनसी.
Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur has launched a poster campaign as a part of its ongoing demand for the inclusion of Meitei community in the scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution. The committee also wants a 48 hours general strike starting from the midnight of January 21st if the state government fails to send recommendation to the center for the inclusion. taking part in the campaign launch held at Ima Kongthong Nganbi Sanglin DM College campus. STD-CM Secretary K. Bogendrajit asserted that it is apt to include Meiteis in the scheduled tribe list, as there is no further argument that Meiteis are indigenous people. He also said two-wheelers rally will precede the 48-hour general strike.
We are not in favor of this general strike, but government has compelled us. Government noi general strike talk dragadi, ban talk drag blockade talk dragdi. Noi ki kano se voice ya koi taro ya hai re. Adu hai bne na koi low re. Adu na tangai pada na koi tawning drag su pai lete koi. Talk buta bne adu na miyam na cooperation PBO. Sawino ma se koi na talk na te government tawin talk bni. Madu any untoward accident patanung da thoba government ki responsibility ne.
Research scholars of Manipur University states sit in demanding increment of research scholars fellowship and stipend today. The protest meet was held in front of Coffee Corner of the university. Speaking to media, acting president of MUSU, research scholar Mayang Langbam Diamond stated that the protest meet was held in solidarity to the rally carried out by over 140,000 research scholars took under All India Research Scholars Association towards the Human Resource Development Ministry and the Prime Minister's office today in retaliation to the indifference maintained by the relevant authority to their demand for increasing research scholars' fellowship and stipends since September last year.
Maling ki thakta tongan ba hiram da research talk matam da changdam na ba matam da khoi ngasi mak lairi ba khoi inflation ki chang sing ba mayam si yang kan da khoi fellowship ta hike to si yam mak tangai phadom kha oiram ne have se ngasi ki pali ba khoi ki india lengak na khangbi kan da khoi mairoi mayam na research scholar mayam na tali ba khoi ki askum la ba demand se matam sana pithok pira kan da khoi ki higher education da yamna khoi ki khumang chokshin mam khok prok pangangni have ki thaz bang khok loin na si askum la ba khoi ki sit-in protesters pangthok samani.
Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar today inaugurated a new building of Community Health Center CHC in Sekmai. Speaking in the event, Minister Jayantakumar stated that government is trying its best to enhance the health sector amidst other issues. He asserted that the health facilities set by the government for the people should reach to the needy ones. He also urged all health staffs, including doctors, nurses, paramedical staffs and ASHA workers, to maintain professional ethics and to keep in mind that health service is a service for humanity. The Health Minister assured to provide required equipment and machines for the newly inaugurated CHC at the earliest.
Constraint main power constraint si community health center se important key area ni khalaga ain tawpung amba khara tawchege aina mayam da assure to promise to se mase mayam na rong lopi hen se pamte and what was pamte the minimum requirement, that is what we need. Adun marumo da nagma to gela kwen minimum requirement pin ba isana I get team na, I get department na, the director sing it isn't that officer sing na. Kung may am na hona jari di masita, may am na PNBO atau awat pa leiba, tigli leiba talaga na. Nung ngumpo ka na si mataw talaga lai ni habat mataw sa sinmong tan PBO ay.
Non-teaching employees and clerical staffs of RIMS continued their cease work strike, demanding to fulfill various charter of demands. Hospitals Non-Teaching Employees Welfare Association staged a sit-in on the second day of the protest today. Speaking to media, General Secretary of the association, Thiam Babu, expressed discontentment that pleas to fill in vacant posts of RIMS went to deaf ears. He said, cadre review is pending for 20 years and vacant posts for grade 4 since 2008 is yet to be filled up. He condemned the RIMS director for remaining silent on the issue and demanded his resignation. Thiam Babu warned of continuing the agitation until their demands are met. He also said letters on the issue have been submitted to Union Health Minister Prime Minister's office, Governor and the Chief Minister.
Startup demand se ekoi khara yami sing se masigi marakta ama phobok single of kano bok se ngasi bokta ekoi direct na positive response amta pirakta aduna maram oraga ekoi ngasi gi khongjang se samthin jabani adugo lolo na ekoi gi positive response piraktra bani na director se lauthuk tu pho ekoi eziki a block sida ekoi makhal amta gi thabak su hiroi aduna makhata na eziki haiba ekoi gi demand se fulfill tawdibo adum chathajagini.
Nurses Association TNAI Janim's unit in a press release informed that the association has today submitted an ultimatum to Janim's director to increase allowances and rectify grade pay of Janim's nurses. Security has been beefed up in Imphal city ahead of Republic Day. As a part of the security measures, a commando team under the supervision of additional SP operation, Imphal West Police, TH Krishna Tombi carried out a cordon and search operation from near Hindu Hotel of Nagamapal till Kasturi Bridge today. 427 individuals were verified, out of which 25 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up for further verification during the drive carried out from 7:50 till 9 a.m. Cordon and search operation was also carried out at Alugali Chamber of Commerce, Mas Hotel, Dharmashala and from Ima Market to Kasturi Bridge from 2:35 to 3:20 this afternoon. 288 individuals were verified, out of which 12 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up and handed over to City Police for further verification. Manipur Assembly Secretariat in a press release sought for public opinion on the Manipur Liquor Prohibition Second Amendment Bill 2018 sent to the Select Committee by the State Assembly. 2 copies of opinions on the bill written either in English or Manipuri may be submitted to Joint Secretary of Manipur Legislative Assembly Secretariat within January 31st. Chairman of Joint Action Committee of Technopal Chamol, T.H. Zamkholun Mate urged the relevant authorities to punish the miscreants who forged signature and tried to disintegrate the JAC formed against the road expansion of Imphal More Road. Speaking to media at the residence of the chairman, Zamkholun stated that with a forged signature, one land owner committee submitted a memorandum to State Chief Secretary on January 4th. He clarified that he has no connection with the memorandum submitted by the committee and urged the government to award befitted punishment to the miscreants.
DC na koraga masinangi soira na koi tobra hena hangi maduda ei koi sukhang khang dabanina asi masi ei soi tode sim de masi sajin gani kanana sajin gano aduna masi verification ama DC da tharaga masi garabadi government wonan tha toraga sigumba list ama semlaga poiming da thabasi khoi pende.
And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on curtain raiser of Gangai Festival with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla in Raj Bhavan today. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. For the first time in Manipur, curtain raiser of Gangai Festival, the largest festival of Zelia Rong community, was celebrated with Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla at Raj Bhavan today. State-level Gangai Celebration Committee, Manipur and Tingkau Rakwang Chapriyak Puam, TRCP will be jointly organizing the state-level Gangai Festival at Chingmairong on January 19th. Speaking in the event, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla extended her greetings and expressed a desire to hold the event in Raj Bhavan every year. She also urged everyone to remember and practice one's cultural roots and traditions regardless of achievements made in life. Advisor of state-level Gangai celebration, Chauba Kamsan, General Secretary of TRCP, Assam, Manipur, Naglin, members of the committee and youths attended the event.
Madam, we are coming to your place. Please get it.
Gov Najma Heptulla has opened the 3-day Festival of Dance Drama in relation to the 43rd Foundation Day of the Production Unit of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy today. Vice Chairman of the Academy, Professor H. Tombi, also attended the event held in the auditorium of the Academy. Speaking in the event, Governor Najma Heptulla, who is also the chairperson of the Academy's advisory board, stressed the need to preserve and promote the art forms of the state. She also appreciated JN Manipur Dance Academy for introducing courses on Ras Leela, Lai Harauba, Natta Sankritan, tribal dance, Thangta, etc. A play entitled Shakuntala, choreographed by late W. Lokendrajit, was performed on the opening day of the festival.
I express my appreciation for the Gurus, for their dedication and commitment. I am also happy to learn that the Academy's production unit has been doing exceedingly well, bringing out various forms of dance drama which have brought international fame. I congratulate the artists who are playing different roles in the dance drama, Shakuntala, which we will witness in a short while from now.
All Manipur Muslims Maitai Pangal Welfare Association in a press release informed that two-day international conference on Manipuri Muslims past, present and future will be held at Hotel Classic, North AOC on March 2nd and 3rd. Research scholars from abroad will deliver talks during the conference. Two-day awareness cum training program on protection of children from sexual offences, POCSO Act 2012 and adoption under Juvenile Justice Act 2015 for school teachers, ASHA workers and Anganwadi workers of Imphal East and Imphal West districts kicked off today. The program was jointly organized by District Child Protection Unit, Imphal East and Imphal West District Child Protection Unit and Childline Imphal East at the conference hall of the Anthropology Department of Manipur University. Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Sumatibala Ningthaujam, Professor of the Department, W. Nabakumar and Director of Childline Imphal S. Jibon Kumar attended the program. Speaking in the event, Sumatibala stated that as per child in conflict with law, under Juvenile Justice Act 2012, a child who had committed a crime needs counseling and should be kept in rehabilitation centers to bring them in the right path. She also enlightened the attendees on child adoption policy. She said a child cannot be adopted at whims, and if a child is ever adopted illegally, the person who gives the child and the person who is adopting the child are punishable to jail term. Sumatibala also expressed a desire to set up child-friendly police station in every district of the state to make Manipur a child-friendly state.
Awareness at Pamatam, the school Kuding Makta Yobanga Moitaba Pibam Kayama Sulaybanina, Nasi Lingbidak Liba Oza Kuding Magna, class Ama, Natraga Nong Mapura, Natraga Nutigi, class Sida, Angang Sing Sida, Awaysigumba, awareness Sasi, Yamna Pazana, Kangminaraga. Angang sing sida su, adagi angang singi mama mapa sing sisu, school da no magi numit amagi mata mama tanjama kaido aga, maduda akogi awareness pibi nabagi kudong chaba sing sisu, ngasigi lingbidak libo oza sing ngasina, adugumba situation su, thambiyo.
Taking part in the event, S. Jibon Kumar appealed to call Childline number 1098 in the event of any incident of child abuse. He expressed a desire to include POCSO Act and regulations of child rearing in school syllabus. Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, T.H. Raj Kishore, and Chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Bobby Irengbam, were the resource persons for the program, attended by 100 school teachers and around 100 ASHA and Anganwadi workers.
Adom na azugumba angang ma thengna matamda police ta takpagi tanja phangdaba numdang da thokpa natraga any place ta thokpa matamda police ta taktringai gi mamangda you can please call 1098 1098 10 dagi hobiro back count 1098 mase child line gi number ni you can dial it from any network dial to matam da pick up torakani pick up torok pase Kolkata dagi direct pick up torakani hana di Imphal de pick up torme Kolkata dagi torakani Kolkata de pick up torok matam da muina dum khange o mase Manipur dagi lakpa number ni khangaga Manipuri language ngang ba mina dum paikhalakane.
Health for All Organization HFAO, Arung Kuno and District Social Welfare Office Kakching jointly organized one-day awareness program on prevention of drug abuse at Arung Kuno, Kakching District today. Dr. M. Rajkumar gave his resourceful insights on how to prevent drug abuse among the youth. Chairman of Manitko and Manitron Kam MLA Hianglam Dr. Y. Radheshyam, Kakching District Social Welfare Officer A. Kameshwar, CDPO Kakching S. Milan Kumar, and District Youth Coordinator of Nehru Yuva Kendra Thaubal, Y. Lakshman attended the event. National Film Development Corporation NFDC Limited is recruiting new cine artists of Manipur Financial Assistance for 2019-20 under Cine Artists Welfare Fund. Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS in a press release informed that interested cine artists to submit relevant documents to MSFDS within January 28. MLA Thanga Assembly Constituency cum PDA Chairman T. Robindro has assured to start year-round residential class at Thanga High School of Karang Village in Thanga constituency to meet the educational needs of students in the area. He was speaking at the launch of a 3-day crash course in relation to HSLC exam 2019 under Go to School mission at Thanga High School today. Students and guardians attended the event. MLA Robindro also declared to award 5 lakh rupees to position holders from the school.
School zilla aga school halam daida kangji fungidana mayum da hanba ngam dadana agang haisda wa da kotele miam se ko miam tanar kanda ai side su kaino tawya ba tawra kanda isa sinche koi jikang phundana karanga khogi Manipur mainland jiga fauna ba yada leba matam sida school ji government quarters kha lai government quarters angang je ko da thamma kanda makoi mai masi tamba ji kaidana ba niyam ji chathana ba ado koi private tutors amaga warden amaga thamaga MLA gi side tagi karang paja wa bu urakanda.
Foundation stone was laid for the construction of a weight bridge on National Highway number 2 Imphal Dimapur Road at Sekmai, Kaudang, Leima today. Leotronic Scales Private Limited under the aegis of Highway Truck Owners Welfare Organization Hitowo Manipur will construct a weight bridge. Speaking in the event, Hitowo Secretary Information Public Relation Brojendro Kontaujam said the initiative to construct the weight bridge was taken following restrictions on truck loads along national highways by the Supreme Court and the Transport Department. Stating that completion of the weight bridge will take at least 4 months, he stated that once the bridge is ready, it will monitor weights of goods truck to avoid accidents. It may be mentioned that Manipur's first weight bridge constructed by Hitowo on Imphal Ziribam Road at Samokhonbi has already started functioning.
Ituna Manipur da leiriba koi tongan ba highway singda simlaba chapchaba permission tones asi chatna bi damta koi mathang koi gi weight bridge se hamjagani habegi koi plan lejari driver singna owner singna sigumlaba government na yaraba transport department amadi honorable high court na honorable supreme court na yaraba masagi chapchaba gari amna puguda weight adu pubiraga lami thong afaba amadi yamna yangna sa nungaina thoba amadi accident yaudaba afaba ama purpo oisunu haiduna akoigi anu sahin lakhisida wisi pijabag loinana akoigi ngasigi weight bridge sabi mapum sport asi akoina sem saba hojabani.
And in sports news, State Tourism Department will kick off the 4th Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament at Imphal Polo Ground tomorrow. Speaking to media at Hotel Imphal, Tourism Director W. Ibohal appealed for public cooperation to make the tournament a success. He said the tournament is being organized with an aim to preserve polo sport and also to encourage women to play polo game. He said that the tournament will continue till January 21st, the day Manipur attained statehood. Altogether, 6 teams of USA, Canada, Kenya, Argentina, Indian Polo Association and Manipur Polo team will compete in the tournament.
Altogether, there will be 16, 4 foreign teams and 1 from IPA, Indian Polo Association, and 1 from Manipur team. And during this tournament also, our department is organizing a Reiki program also, explore our tourism potential that we have. About the rich culture, our national beauties, our adventure sports, health tourism, whatever we have, we are trying to highlight.
Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Reassuring to side the people, Chief Minister N. Biren reassures to stand against CAB 2016 until and unless protection of Manipur is guaranteed. Fuel Conservation Minister Karam Shyam launches Shaksham 2019 campaign to encourage frugal uses of petroleum products for better environment and economy. FTDC Manipur's poster campaign demands inclusion of Meitei or Meitei in scheduled tribe lists, warns of 48-hour general strike if government fails to send recommendation. And traditional delights, curtain raiser of Gangai Festival 2019 enchants. Gov Najma Heptulla urges all to keep practicing one's culture and traditions.